Good morning, students. Welcome to day 12 class. Already we started this lesson, decimal fraction. In first semester, we have to study their fraction lesson only. Okay, because decimals and fractions are one coin and two face. Already we discussed that. Then what is the meaning by decimal? Who is telling? What is the meaning by decimals? Who is telling? Yes, your answer should be right. Which number has with a decimal point? Which number has a with a decimal point? That numbers we call decimal numbers. Already we discussed how to write the numbers in words. The given decimal numbers, how to write in words. Already we discussed that one. Then where we are using in decimal things. Okay. Uses of decimal. Uses of decimal. Already we discussed in the first semester length lesson. Already we discussed that length lesson. There, using in first is length. How to use in length? Now look at here. Meter to kilometer. When we converting meter to kilometer, that situation we are using decimal point. Because one problem is there. What is given there? One problem means 6,786 meter. This one convert into km means kilometer. Is given here meter. This one convert into kilometer. You know that when we are converting meter bigger or kilometer bigger, that thing you should keep in your mind. Kilometer is always bigger than meter. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮೀಟರ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಗಿಂತಲೂ. ಓಕೆ, then we are converting smaller to bigger. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ದಿಂದ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. That time we are using the division method. Then compulsory you should divide using 1000. Sir, why sir we are using 1100 not 5 sir? Because one thing is clear, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Because 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ 1000 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1000 ಲಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, look at here, 6,786. 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Then 6,786 meter means how much kilometer? Then you should divide 6,786 divided by 1000. 6,786 ದೊಳಗ 1000 ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ನೋಡಿ. Then that is your answer. Okay, then 1000 the table of 6,786 are not, you know, check it. Sir, 6,786 not there sir, but 6,000 is there. 1000 6 the 6,000. Then 6 8 7 0. Then remaining 7,786. Then keep your point and take a 0. 1000 7 the 7,000. 0680. Then give already given point, you take a 0. 1000 8 the 8,000. 0060. Already given point, you take another one 0, 6000, 1000 6 the 6000, because their place is not there means I continued here 0000, but answer is 6.786 kilometer. This is the converting when we are keeping here point, decimal point with decimal point. This is 6.786 kilometer. This is meter, we are converting in kilometers. This is the fact. And another one example, when we converting centimeter to meter, because centimeter is smaller than meter. Understand? Then you have to write here second one problem. 873 centimeter equal to how many meter? How many meters? ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 1000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, but here 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, then 100 cm equal to 1 meter. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 873 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ 100 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 873 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ 873 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 100. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ you know that place value table of decimals, because middle is the decimal point, tens, 100, 1000, then you need tens, 100, this type is there, okay. But this place name is 100th place, okay. This place name is 100th place, but look at here, count the places name. Here tens, 100, because here 100 means 8.73. It is also right, it is direct method. When we are keeping direct method means when denominator is 100, 1000, 10, that time you should do direct method only. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಷ್ಟು 0 ಅದಾವ, ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗನೆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಅದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಣ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಬಟ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಸರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡು ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. 873 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 100. 100 ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 100 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ 100, then 100 is 800, 370, then keep here one point, then you take 0. ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ because 100 is bigger than 73, then you take a keep a point and then take a 0, okay. 100 7s are 700, 0 30, then keep a point and take a 0. 100 3s are 300, then 0 0 0, okay. This is the final answer. Okay, write down these are, then we are going to discuss next. Okay, then another one is 86 mm convert into cm. Remember, length units are 3 because kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. These are the units of length. Because mm is smaller than cm. When is given here 86 millimeter, convert into centimeter. Now millimeter and centimeter convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. But you know, now first ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು 1 centimeter equal equal to how much millimeter? Then 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 10 millimeter ಇರಬೇಕು. Then what is the 86 millimeter means how much centimeter? Then you have to do 86 divided by 10. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 86 ದೊಳಗ 10 ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ನೋಡಿ. Then 86 divided by 10. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10th place ಇದೆ. Point ಆಗ one number only ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, because here two numbers are there means 8.6. This is the answer. But you have to do here 86 divided by 10. 10 8s are 80, 6 0, keep here point and take a 0, then 10 6s are 60. It is 8.6 centimeter. This is the final answer. Understand? But one thing is clear, I will give you here example 867 divided by 100, 867 divided by 1000, 867 divided by 10. In these same numerators are there, correct? Same numerators are there, but denominators only change. Is it right? Then 867 is there. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. when is given denominator is 100 1000 10 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. when 100 is there, after the point two numbers ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 100th place only last. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? then you have to count here 1 2, then you should leave 8.67 because 10th side 100, because here 100th place is last. Look at here 1000th place is there. Then after the point three numbers we should require. Correct? ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ 3 numbers only is given there. Correct? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರೀ 3 numbers ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 3 numbers ಬೇಕು. Then before the point you should keep there 0. Then keep here point 867. This much only answer. Then look at here 867 by 10. Only after the point we want only one number because 10th place only. Then before the all number is right before the point. Then 86.7. This is the conversion of the decimals, fraction to decimal. Okay, write down that one. Next one is money. Money and using in decimals. Okay, then given here, first of all one thing is clear, 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to how much paise? 100 paise. Remember that thing. Then you should convert 673 paise into rupees. Okay, you given paise, that one convert into rupees. First of all find the 673 paise means how much rupees. 673 paise dollar ಎಷ್ಟು rupees ಇರ್ತಾವ, that one you should know. First of all one thing is clear, 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. Is it right? Then 673 paise means how much rupees? Then you have to do here 673 divided by 100. You know the direct method because after the point we want two numbers only because 100th place only. Then here given three numbers means before the point one number and after the point two number. 6.73 The answer is 6.73 rupees. It means 6 rupees 73 paise. Another one, second one, 973 paise convert into rupees. Convert into rupees. Okay. Convert into rupees. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. 100 paise equal to 1 rupees. Then 973 divided by 100. You have to do directly. 900.73 rupees. 9.73 rupees. Sir, I don't know which you have to do. Your method is the standard method. 973 divided by 100. 100 9s are 900. 370. Keep a point. Then take a 0. 7s are 700. 0 3 0. Already given point. You take another one 0. 3s are 300. It is 0 0 0. 9.73. It is the final answer. Okay, write down that one. Dear students, look at here. Already I given yesterday exercise 4.1 is given there. Third one, fill in the blanks. 8 meter equal to how much centimeter? 8 meter means 8 mm is there. You have to 8 divided by 10 means it is 0.8. How much it is? It is 0.8. It is 0.8. Then 75 mm means divided by 10 because 10 mm equal to 1 cm, then it is 7.5. Then again 8 centimeter 5 mm, it is given directly 8.5 mm centimeter. 525 mm means look at here 52.5 centimeter. Look at it. And next one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 8 centimeter, 72 centimeter, 375 centimeter, 4 meter, 80 centimeter. This type problems I solved this type problems. Okay. Then given 8 centimeter means one problem I will show you. Here given last one. Okay, 8 cm, 15 meter. 8 centimeter means how much meter is there? Is it right? Look at here. 100 cm equal to 1 meter. This thing is correct. Then 8 divided by 100. You have to do it here. 8 divided by 100. Here 8 is there. 100 is bigger, 8 is smaller. Then keep here 0 and keep one point and take a 0. Is it right? But 100 is also bigger, now also bigger. Then you take another one. Then you take 100 is 800. 0 0 0. Answer is 0.08. Is it right? Then another one. First one I solved and remaining 5th one, 15 meter 6 centimeter. Okay, is it right? 15 meter 6 centimeter is there. This one you should write directly 15.06 centimeter. 06 meter. But otherwise you have to write here 15 meter into 100 cm. Then 15 into 100. 1500 plus 6 6051 1506 centimeter equal to 15 meter. Then 1506 divided by 100. 100 ones are 100. 0 5 0 you take a 6. 100 5s are 500. Then 6 0 0. Keep your point and take a 0. And you one point and take a 0. 106 are. Yes. 15.06 meters. This is the final answer. Okay. Write down that answers only because you have to solve in the rough book. Then you have to write the answers. Then next one is fifth one. Write in decimal fractions. 75 paise is there. Convert into rupees. You know that one. 100 paise equal to 1 rupees. Then you have to convert 75 divided by 100. 0.75 rupees. 10 rupees and 25 paise. 10.25. 870 paise. 8.70. 782. 7.82. 2005. It is, you should write 200 plus 50. 200 plus 50. Okay, write down that one. And remaining problems we are solving next period. Okay, thank you.